Listen to the thing out there. Now again, you know it's not human. She said, I'm going to hell, or whatever, whether he or she, I'm going to hell. It's a demon. The sounds I'm hearing tonight are, you can tell they're not human. I'm hearing growling and all kind of monster things out there. It's unbelievable. But they know it's near the end. So they coming out in force. Of course, my phone's been, my charger, I bought a new charger today. It's been draining because they standing right behind me, making all that noise, talking that demon talk. Well, I'm going to try to load some more videos, and I just want you to, it's not human. All right, guys.